Today we cut apart some bits and we weld on some other bits. I have no idea how I look right now with all the grinding and welding I've done. I'm probably a mess. But I've been doing a lot of grinding and welding. So let me show you what I've done here. Okay, so all this has been cut out of both sides. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a tube going up here, across. It's going to go right over top of my brake assembly there. And it's going to hold that in place, and it's going to go down. I'm also going to be able to get rid of this whole metal structure here that holds my power steering, and I'm going to be able to attach it to that tube that bar that's going across. And then this tube here is going to tie into this tube. It's going to come down like this, tie into this, and then that is going to then tie into that, over there, on both sides. I'm going to move my pedals over slightly to one side. It's definitely a lot lighter than it was. I can get rid of this whole engine mount here because I now have this mounted to the engine here. So I'm really happy with how this is all looking. This is definitely going to be a lot of weight out of the car. I mean, I said I want to get 30-40 pounds out of it. I may even get more out of it than that. That would be awesome. Maybe I can get that 1666 pounds down to 1600 even or something. I don't know, we'll see. There's many benefits to the changes I made because there's a lot of stuff like this heavy metal plate here that holds my brake assembly in place. I'll be able to get rid of most of that. I'll be able to, this metal plate here is to hold the steering column in. If I attach the steering column to that tube that's going to be going here and across and down, then not only will I be able to get rid of all that, but I think it's going to make the steering column stronger, and maybe I can even make it adjustable with some struts on there, and then I can make the steering wheel, the height, adjustable as well. So these are all benefits of the new frame that's going to go in here. It's hard work, but I have all winter to do it, so it's going to be good. It's going to be awesome. Quite a bit of weight's taken out of there so far. So anyways, that is where I'm at. I don't know what else I'm gonna be able to do today because I have not got the tubing that I need to go over here, so I don't know what else I'm gonna be able to do, but we'll see. Anyways, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to all of you later.